Sharada-Palli Bikash is a women education and empowerment project being run under the management of Ramakrishna Math Puri in a poverty-stricken village of Dandamukundapur with the financial assistance received from the Government of India through Ramakrishna Mission, Belur Math. It is 1 kilometer away from the national highway connected between Bhubaneswar and Puri. The site is seen as a beautiful picturesque with pond, coconut trees and temples with carved painting on the wall. The livelihood of the villagers is comprised of the earning from the daily labor, cultivation and sale proceed of applique work at Pipli. The mud path along the pond, trees and the dilapidated huts of the victims of the super cyclone Aila in 1999 leads to the juncture at the end of the village where the project site is located. In the campus of the project is seen the entrance of the training center, 2 lavatories, staircase leading to the shrine and the hall with the tailoring and applique department and small shrine in the first floor and the ground floor accommodating a tube well for drinking water and the choir work training center. The majority of the inhabitants of the villages hail from the BPL families of scheduled caste community. Women have always been marginalized and relegated to the status of subjugated class in the Indian society. Due to lack of specific implementation of plans, local communities, especially women, have remained outside the scope and benefits of government schemes and programs. Women have not actively participated in their emancipation due to their lack of economic independence and illiteracy. There is a need to address the issue by raising the status of women. The key lies in women empowerment through economic self-sufficiency and higher awareness levels on social, economic and legal issues through mobilization. There is also a need to recognize and emphasize the diverse roles of women such as reproductive, productive and community management. Women should be organized and strengthened at the grassroots level to end their subordination. Sharada-Palli Bikash Prakalpa is making an attempt in that direction to make rural women self-sufficient through various skill training programs. The Adhyaksha of Ramakrishna Math Puri gets all work done through a qualified coordinator assisted by an attender, 2 qualified and experienced tailoring and choir training masters. The daily session of the training program commences with the prayer, occasional, moral, health and non-formal classes through project show wherever necessary. The Math organizes health camp now and then to check up the health of the candidates. For better health of the candidates, the Math has installed tube well for safe drinking water facilities in the project campus as well as inside the target village. The vocational training is being given in theory and practical 5 days a week from Monday to Friday for 4 to 5 hours daily depending upon the course. Skill training program for women. The main aim of this program is to enhance the quality of life of women through increased knowledge and skills. The Prakalpo also realized that merely imparting literacy would not be sufficient The women need vocational training or skills also to uplift their status. They should be able to stand on their feet and provide for their families. The discussions with women revealed that they are also interested in learning some skill to supplement their household income. They showed interest in learning stitching and tailoring. In a very short duration of 6 months, most of the women have become proficient in basic cutting and stitching. The credit goes to the students and the teachers, who again from the community are taking tremendous interest and teaching with their full dedication. After successful completion of the course, they will be encouraged to get bank loans to start their own business. Odisha is famous for using raw materials like coir available from the coconut. Craftsmen make aesthetic articles and toys like small animals and birds, dolls, furniture, trays, little boxes, etc. Husk, which is available in plenty, is soaked in water for 21 days. Coir fiber is collected by beating the husk, which is in a soft condition with a wooden hammer. First, the separate parts of the article are made and then joined together by stitching with a colorful thread or wool. Gum is then used for hardening it after completion of the object. The coir toys are long lasting. Microcredit among the self-help groups. This program is very common nowadays in the rural country among the poor and needy women of village. With an objective to achieve better financial position, the women have been made group comprising 12 members, each among the trainees of the tailoring coir work under the able counseling organized by the Ramakrishna Math Puri. The group will share their loss and profit while working together with the loan received from the seed money provided to them from the project. They are being guided properly by the experts through the meeting organized monthly. The microfinance experts teach the women merchants about the production, costing and marketing of the products on the basis of the demand of the local and state level markets. Sustainability of the project at Dandamukundapur. The project is meant for 2 years but has ample chance to be exempted for long depending upon the availability of the resource, manpower and also fulfillment of the objective of women empowerment.